Welcome to beautiful cavern of Luray, Virginia. Hello. Oh goodness. So it's like we have to walk all the way from the top, and it just kept following all the way down here, and we finally get to the gates. Are you ready, Manny?
I was born ready.
Okay, good. All right, so we're about to head into Luray Cavern. Yep, after you. Oh, what is this? So these are the men who
Oh,
discovered in 1878.
whoa! I was born like a year afterwards.
1878.
I'll wait
Andrew
for you in here.
Campbell, Benton, and Williams Campbells. Yep. They discovered Luray Caverns. Alright, we're about to enter. Woohoo! What will you discover? Luray Cavern. What will you discover? We'll find out soon. Enjoy this. Alright. It's in my pockets. Hold the bucket for me, please. Hold the bucket for me. Alright. Let's do it. we gotta video the whole tour.
Picture before you go down?
Picture?
Yeah, sure. Here.
No, I meant a big
Oh.
screen.
Yeah, you don't want to wall.
Oh, okay. I'm sure we're gonna take tons of photo, yeah, and video.
Get way down there.
Enjoy your tour.
Thank you.
There might be laws in here.
Oh my God! I started to feel the cold from the cave. Ooh, look at this! Wow. Oh, look at this! How a cave is formed. See, growth of formations. Yep. Cave formations, and it shows you, the whole thing from how the cave is formed. From I'm gonna pass by you, Manny.
Oh, yeah.
So from a rock to this beautiful mountain or whatever. Yep, formation of Shenandoah Valley regions. It's like a limestone, made up of limestone of valleys. As a result of the sea level.
Don't turn your back now.
Oh wow! So these are the three men that discovered this place in 1878.
78. Oh, goodness.
These are the men
Years
that
after.
discovered this
Oh, yeah.
place. Luray Cavern, the great national treasure. Wow, look at this. Luray
We had
Cavern.
some fried chicken and Jay had some shrimp, so we found stuff.
All right.
Hopefully,
Shall we?
have
All right, you about to enter the cave. Ah. Welcome to Luray Cavern. This is for YouTube videos. As you can see, there's a lot of tourists coming into the cave. I can feel the chill air just stepping inside. After you, Manny. It's so mysterious and so cool. What a nice break away from the heat and the humidity from outside. Oh wow.
You want more light? I guess I tap on the screen.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Yeah, I think I'm
Put more
okay.
lights on
I
it.
think I'm okay.
There you go.
Yep. Wow.
Won't be too
Would
dark.
you look at that? They actually have water like down here. And look at the ceiling. all of these formations. I've been told it take like millions of years to form this. Oh, take a picture of this tunnel. It look nice with the lights and everything. All right. Oh wow, this is nice. All right, let's move on. Well, to your left is another formations. Whew, look at that. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. You can see everything. Oh wow, look at that. You can pass us if you like. We're gonna slow down, take photo and videos. You can pass us. This is for YouTube video, so feel free to pass us. Thank you. All right, so as you can see, the formation, it takes millions of years for the top part and the bottom part to finally touch each other. So yep, it's amazing. And each chamber have its own.
Right up here, it's going to be number 101. If you all have any questions about anything, you can feel free to ask either of us. Thank you.
Wow. Look at all these formations. So these formations take millions of years for it to the top and the bottom part to touch.
It takes about 100 years to grow per
Oh,
cubic
okay.
inch, or about 100 to 300. So
Oh.
it varies in time. These ones right now, they're not actively growing. If
Oh.
there's water dripping, then
Right.
you can tell that they're growing.
Oh, so
Oh, I don't know.
oh wow. It's like cathedral ceilings. Wow. So we've been told that if we touch, it will stop growing. If we touch the rock.
Right. Yes. The oils in your skin stop them.
Yeah. So I look on the internet. It's just it say like there's 3 cavern, Shenandoah, Skyline Cavern, and then Luray Cavern. So this is the largest one.
Yes, we're the 3rd largest in the United States. We're the largest on this side of we're on this coast. But the ones around here, I like Skyline Caverns. I've never been to Shenandoah, but I like Skyline.
Okay.
It's much smaller though. All of them are much
okay.
smaller.
But were they been discovered at the same time, or?
They were all around the same time. The ones that I know of, I think Skyline is older, and I think Shenandoah probably is older as well. This one was discovered as one of the last tour caves. They actually were looking for one to open up as a tour cave when they found this one.
Wow. Interesting.
As you're walking through, please remember to stay on the pathway and not touching any information. And the crates that you got with the ticket, it has numbers inside it that will correspond to the green and yellow signs that we walk through.
Thank you.
Oh, look at this one. It said Luray Cavern was designated to National Nature Landmark in 1973. The action of sipping water and shifting soil continued to affect the walkway along the tour. Be aware of your surrounding. Please do not handle, break the formation, or even touch the rock, because it will stop it from growing, or it would disrupt its formations. Beautiful, beautiful, magnificence. Oh, wow. Look at this. Hello. Get up the ceiling. Oh wow, the one behind you is really cool. You can snap us some pictures. Like, you can take me some pictures and I can take you some pictures. There we go. That's the only way to do it. But look at the one on the back.
The S9 Plus is still
Look at this.
kind of a new phone, but the camera's okay.
This one is so beautiful.
This is very fuzzy, but it turned out pretty good.
Wow, these are nice. As you can see, there's a lot of formations within these chambers.
You have to do a few adjustments here and there on the lighting.
And you can smell the mineral inside this cave, this cavern, just from the rocks. Oh wow. This nature is so wonderful. It truly is magnificent. So this is where we're heading, like, okay. Come on. There's so much more to see. Oh, la, la. Oh wow. So much more to see. So much more to see down here, Manny. So much more to see. Come on. Ooh, wow. You can smell the mineral from the rock.
The mineral.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
It has a nice scent to it too. It's not musty.
So they have a different chambers, and each chambers is like different from the others. There's no two alike chambers in here. Mm-hmm. They're each very unique in its own ways, in its own ways. Wow. Look at that. Woo. Well, this one is nice over here.
All these is like the texture
Wow.
is unreal, but it is.
Oh, look at that. That is so interesting, isn't it? Oh. Many is take a close look at those formations. Wow, look at this. Wow. That is amazing. Look at this one. Ooh. Mm-mm. Wow. I'm just amazed by all these formations around me.
Did you get a picture of this spot?
Wow. Look at this.
Right there is a big chunk dangling out there.
beautiful formations everywhere around me. Beautiful. Wow. Wow, look at that.
Modern technology now is fast forward.
Keep going down and down. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna zoom into the 3 columns. Wow. That's a long time. It takes a long time for these columns from the top to the bottom to touch each other's. Yep. Probably take millions of years for these columns to touch each other. Yep, from top to bottom. And that's just amazing. Yep. That is amazing, isn't it? Wow, look at that. We are actually in a cave. We are actually in a cave. Look at that. Watch out, there's one in the middle.
Yeah, thank you.
Kind of sticking out. Wow, these are so magnificent and so mysterious. Yep. Very nice formations. Oh, I see one that's very interesting in front of me. Oh, look at that. Hey Manny, watch out, there's one in the middle. Hey Manny. Hello? I guess he didn't hear me. I don't want him to step over them. Oh wow, look at this one. Oh, look at the ceiling. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I feel water drop. It just dropped on my head from the ceiling. Oh, okay. Wow, look at this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's amazing. It truly is amazing. You can see the drop of water dripping down from these formations. Wow, look at this. The water actually helps shape these formations. It's amazing what nature could do. Oh yes. What a beautiful. Wow, look at this. Wow. You can pass me if you like. Wow, look at this. Wow. That is amazing, isn't it? Wow, this one finally touch. The top and the bottom part finally touch. It takes millions of years for that to form. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's beautiful, just beautiful. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. This is actually the reflections of the top and the bottom parts. It's like a reflection. So it's the roof reflect off the water at the bottom, and oh wow, these are beautiful. Oh, oh my goodness. Yeah. It's a beautiful reflections from top to bottom. This is my favorite parts. Wow. This truly is my favorite spot. Look at that reflections. Oh wow. Whoa, would you look at that? Wow, I'm gonna zoom in everyone because it's really worth getting a close-up shots. This is my favorite chamber, Manny. This is my favorite chamber. Look at the reflection. Oh, this is the best. Look at the reflection of the water.
Yeah, it's a little bit lower. It's above me. Yeah, I'm like, it's like a half foot.
It's a reflection. It's a reflection of the upper part. It make it look bigger than it actually is because of the reflection of the water at the bottom.
So those caves coming out. As we go deeper and deeper down, it's going to be able to some more.
The dream of the way of seeing the non-perfectly mirrored reflection of the ceiling.
What's going on there?
The largest Bible.
There's one more. Behind the rock, there's actually a pool of water. Camera, you can see it. So it's become a pool. There's a little flash in here.
A lot of illusions around here. So you can see the top of the roof through the reflection at the bottom on the water. Yep. And we were down there, and now we're up here looking down. It's amazing. It's an amazing place. That's all I can say. It's an amazing place. And especially, it's so special because it takes millions of years to form this type of formations. And that's what makes it so special. So special.